Okay, on this one, we're gonna use a little different on those bread rolls. So this time, I'm just gonna use this foil. We're gonna do the foil in this pan. I mean, not the foil, the oil. Okay. And then in here, I'm just gonna do a little bit. Okay. Just like that. Break small pieces. Make it in small balls like that. And place it in the pan. These are quick and easy ones. Then you're gonna let them sit for like 30 minutes. Let them rise a little bit, and then you're gonna put it in the oven. This should be done in maybe like 25 minutes, 20 minutes. Now, if you need more oil on here, just add more oil and then continue. So they already have some oil on top of them, so you don't need to like add any oil now. Only when you take it out of the oven. You can do some butter. You can mix the olive oil with parsley and add that and a little bit of salt or anything. But I'm gonna keep these simple today because I'm making chicken, and I'm gonna show you that. Maybe I'll do some potato. I'm gonna see. I got 2 more left. So I got 2 more left, and these 2 I'm gonna add in a fryer because I got these 6-inch small rolls, and then I have a fryer behind me, so I'm gonna add them in the fryer, but I have to stretch them in order to put them there. Like I'm gonna stretch them like that, and then 15 minutes and they're done in the fryer. Like that. See? See? Yeah. All right, but we're gonna let these sit for like 25 to 30 minutes, and then these, they don't have to sit because I'm gonna place them in the fryer. And that's it, and we'll be right back. See you later, just a little bit.